confidence level of the exam. So one of the important factors that would always help is build up your own, material, reference material, which you're always going to use in the exam. That is something which you must have done earlier in the past exam. But critically, I would say that for tax, it's very important that you create a lot of structure again on the key topics, like especially companies and even dividends, partnerships, and trust. Because, as I said, the tax module all obviously gives you about the taxability. It doesn't tell you about the corporate structure, right? So at times it's always useful to make some sort of notes, obviously, to help basically understand a better idea of the corporate structure or the legal entity structure, so that at least when the question comes, you know that okay, this is what the structure would look like, right? And at the same time, you know that the taxability would be applicable on certain structure. So connecting these two dots is something which many people unable to do, and I think that's where it will help you a lot to build those things. Okay, so would that kind of answer your question, Joseph?
Yeah, that's fine.
Yep. So the PPT, yeah, I'll be sending it basically in the email. I can send you back in the email, so that shouldn't be a problem as such. And you can use the references which I have referred to. That would also help you to understand how those things work. Okay. So does anyone else has any other question? All right. So yeah, we have limited questions, and obviously it's Sunday evening, so I don't want to take too much of your time. Every one of you have my email ID, and again, you got my contact address and everything. So those things are available, and those things are already mentioned in the PowerPoint, which I will be sending. I'm happy to basically talk you through and understand if you have any concerns, and at the same time help you out basically during the exam. Again, as I said, my specialty or the area of interest is more about the practice of the tax structure rather than just looking at the laws and the rules. So anything specifically if you have with respect to application of the law, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to help you out, irrespective of whether you are my student or not. It doesn't matter. And then we are trying to build some common interest for everyone, and that's the area of focus for me always, to have a professional development area for everyone. Okay. Thanks a lot. Thanks for taking your time. We are running out of the scheduled time also. That's good enough. So thanks a lot, and reach out to me if you have any more questions. I appreciate your time. Thank you.